beautiful people, today we are here with the knobtail gecko. Check it out. These beautiful geckos, they are coming from Australia and they are insectivores. That means they are eating mainly insects. They grow a bit bigger than this. She's a juvenile and there is a lot of morph available in the market. The best temperature to keep them is 26 to 30 centigrade. They are hardy, they eat everything you offer them. You have to give them calcium powder and multivitamin. Calcium powder every day, you mix it with the food, and multivitamin once a week. So nice. They have actually very beautiful eyes. Stop. Wait. Look at the eye. She is so naughty. Okay, thank you so much and see you in the next one.